Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'll show how to set up this anime-style home screen in today's video. Don't skip the video, let's look at the widget. This elegant widget shows the time, date, day, and weather forecast. Consider hitting the bell button and subscribing to my channel if you're new here so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's see the apps that are required for this setup. Download all of these apps from the link given in the description. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Download and extract the backup file that is provided in the description. Use this image as wallpaper. Go back and apply backup. Choose Nova Launcher and OK to restore. Create widget on the home screen. Install Noodle KWGT from the Play Store. Open and search for widget number N8 and select it. Save and close it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, I am signing off for now. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Remember, your support means the world to us.